Lana, I have an idea, an activity, just very quickly, because
Okay.
I heard that depending on the country,
Yeah.
uh, you make animal sounds different.
Ah, yes, it's true. But
So
what do you know? What do
I
you
want
know?
to know what is the animal sound for one specific animal in your country and one specific animal in my country. I mean, what is the sound we make for those animals? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
In, okay. In my country, well, I don't know, but in Peru or in Argentina, we usually imitate the pig sound like oink, oink.
Yeah, it's true. In Spain,
What
it's
about
also oink oink.
what about in Ukraine?
In Ukraine, it's a little bit different. It's not oink oink.
No.
It's hru hru.
Hru, hru?
Hru
Uh,
hru.
you're kidding me, really?
But it's
Okay.
completely different. I don't know why. To
Okay.
be honest, Brian, to be honest, I
Yes.
thought that in all world, it's hru hru.
No.
But
Let's go with
yeah,
the next animal. The next
okay.
animal is the dog. In my
The dog.
country, we say wow wow.
In Spain is wow wow. In Ukraine is how how.
How how.
How how.
Wow. That's really interesting. Okay. Let's go with
It's
one more animal.
similar. Wow wow. Wow wow. How how. It's similar a little bit. Yes, it's
Yeah,
similar.
a little bit similar. Let's go with this next
Yeah.
animal. The next animal
Okay.
is a rooster. The rooster.
Rooster.
Hmm.
Okay. Tell me
Okay, wait.
what say rooster in
Okay,
Argentina or in
rooster
Peru.
in Peru. Rooster. Okay.
Rooster in Peru.
Okay, good. Rooster in Peru is, well, in Argentina or I think in Latin America, it's kikiriki. Kikiriki.
Okay. In Ukraine. Rooster in Ukraine is kukuriku.
Kukuriku. Totally different.
Kukuriku.
Okay, let's go with the cat. I think this is like popular around the
Okay.
world. Here you say meow,
Okay.
meow, meow.
Yeah, in Ukraine, the cat say meow meow.
Okay, good. We're okay. Can you think of any other animal? Probably, I don't know, the cow. What is the sound of the cow? The
Tell
cow.
me, in Peru?
In Peru is moo.
Yeah, it's the same in Ukraine. Moo.
Ah, well, so
It's
it's the
the
same.
same.
Okay, so we're
It's
fine.
the same. Yeah,
But with
it's the
three
same.
animals, interesting.